Hi, welcome to my channel Arabic Lingo, where we will learn Egyptian Arabic today. As we know, Egyptian Arabic is the most common type of Arabic that is spoken.
Today, we are going to talk about come here. When you ask someone to come here at this place. So, how to pronounce come here as Egyptian Arabic. تعال هنا. تعال هنا. تعال هنا. تعال هنا. I hope this video teach you something for how to pronounce Egyptian Arabic. Thanks for watching. If you like what you saw, hit that like button and be sure to subscribe so you can get all the new videos. Please share this video with anyone wanting to learn Egyptian Arabic. Thank you.